LastPass for Business Security Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our comprehensive review of LastPass for Business, a popular choice for companies looking to bolster their password security. Links to check out LastPass are in the description below. Let's dive straight into the core details. LastPass for Business is a robust password management tool designed with advanced security features tailored for organizations of all sizes. It provides secure password storage, automated password generation, and seamless access sharing, making it easy for teams to collaborate without compromising sensitive data. Features like password vaulting, centralized admin controls, and dark web monitoring ensure that your company's login credentials stay protected against breaches. Created for businesses that handle multiple accounts, LastPass is particularly valuable for teams that need to share passwords securely. It offers role-based access controls, allowing IT administrators to set different permission levels and ensure only the right people have access to specific accounts. This feature minimizes risks associated with shared passwords and helps maintain accountability. The software also integrates well with single sign-on, SSO, and multi-factor authentication (MFA, providing an added layer of protection. With detailed reporting and usage tracking, managers can easily monitor how credentials are used, detect any unusual activity, and stay compliant with internal security policies. One downside worth noting is that the UI, while user-friendly, may seem cluttered to first-time users, but with brief onboarding, teams can navigate it efficiently. The mobile and browser extensions are smooth, ensuring passwords are accessible wherever needed. For tech-savvy companies, LastPass supports integrations with various productivity tools, further enhancing workflow efficiency. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, LastPass's scalable solutions fit different security needs, ensuring that teams stay protected and productive. If this video provided value, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more expert reviews. Your engagement helps spread valuable information and empowers others to make smart decisions. Thanks for watching.